I learned a lot today from the Rise Connect, socializing and networking with different people from different spheres, and also from the IBP program, what they have to offer, the fact that they actually offer modules for young entrepreneurs with basically free modules, and they take you through a journey. They don't just give you money or funds for your business, they actually help you with the legals, marketing, and take you through the whole journey for the survival and success of your business.
This is a very, very interesting program that I would love everybody to come through. The takeaway from this program was that basically every small medium enterprises is allowed to attend to get inside this platform. So what happens is you learn a lot from the incubation process up until the final process where you are able to get investors.
I hope that Rise International hosts more of such events, since I learned a lot from a lot of other young entrepreneurs.
When we began, we obviously asked, what do entrepreneurs want, what do they need? And what is the first thing do you think an entrepreneur said they wanted? Money. Exactly. With all of this, we realize that there's actually skills development that is underrated in terms of how to run your business and grow as a business. And that's why, and that is how really the thesis of our why of how this Innovation Bridge IBP 500 program was born.